Today I'm showing you a nice and cozy 2-bedroom flat in Mossel Bay. You can see it's the open plan living dining room area, which flows into your open plan kitchen. Quality granite finishes, nice space for appliances. Right, you'll find your first bedroom. Nice and spacious. Built-in cupboards. Find your bathroom. Still have a bathtub, toilet and a basin. Your second bedroom. Nice and spacious, built-in cupboards and a door leading to the balcony. Also has a built-in braai and a communal swimming pool. This cozy 2-bedroom apartment in Mossel Bay is now up for sale.